Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we have seen the commands using which we can tell Nmap to scan for operating system on the target machine. Now, in this lecture, we will be looking at the command using which we can tell Nmap to scan for versions of the services running on different ports. Let me show you the command. I will be showing you the comparison between the two different commands. Okay, so let me open two terminal windows here. Okay, new window. Okay, and the another one. So in this window, we will be giving the simple command without the command we want to use in this lecture, that is for the detection of the version of the services. Okay, so this will be the basic command, and I will be giving command to scan for pin scan. Okay, so small s capital F and the target IP. Okay, just hitting the enter, we can get the results here. You can see the uh, three sections. Okay, that is the port, states, and the services. Okay, now we will be detecting the versions of these services. Okay, these different type of services are running on these ports, and we want to detect the versions of these services. Okay, so we will be looking at on this window. So I will be typing the command here, that is nmap space again the fin scan. So the small f capital small s capital F space minus sign small s capital V to detect the versions of the services. Okay, space target IP, that is 192.168.0.107. Okay, and hitting the enter. Let us look at the results we are getting. Okay, so you can compare the results here. Here there are four sections. Okay, port, state, service, and the additional one is the version. Okay, let me maximize this window so that we can have a look what information we are getting. So you can see it has given a whole lot of information here. Okay, it says the SSH and the version is this one. Okay, and the different services. Now here we are using the default nmap command for the ports. Okay, so it has only scanned the uh, most common 1000 ports, but you can also specify your uh, specific ports number here. We have already seen in the previous sections in the port scanning that how we can define the range of ports. So you can also try it here, and you can see the different services running on the different ports and the versions of the services. Now this information can be very helpful to find vulnerabilities. You can simply search for the versions and you can have a look that if this version is vulnerable to any kind of vulnerabilities, and you can exploit it. So this was the command using which we can detect service version on the different ports.